The Toyota GR Supra was designed to be a tuner car, and you may laugh at its BMW underpinnings all you want, but since when has a premium brand lending its skills to a mainstream brand ever been a bad thing? Wald International couldn't care less about what's underneath the A90 Supra, all that matters is that it looks epic. Recently, the Japanese tuner has worked on other BMW products like the X7 and the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, but its best work is certainly done on cars styled by its home country. Hence, the tuner has turned its attention to the GR Supra with two neck-breaking body kits. Two kits are on offer, with the first offering a new splitter, side skirts, trunk spoiler, and rear diffuser, but while that version is pretty cool, the one we're really interested in is far more comprehensive. The second kit features a Formula 1 look front bumper and spoiler, a new hood with matching front fenders, 45mm wide rear over fenders, new side skirts with extensions, and a new trunk spoiler with a 3D rear wing. Both cars have obviously been lowered and fitted with striking new exhaust finishers too, and split forged wheels are offered as well, but there's no change to performance or interior aesthetics. Unfortunately, the US side of Wald International has not yet loaded these new kits, so we can't provide you with accurate pricing at the moment. Considering how many parts are available, especially with the latter kit, we don't expect these upgrades to be cheap, but on the plus side, they are made from ABS plastic rather than carbon fiber, so they shouldn't decimate your kids' college funds either. Wald also says that the parts are easy to fit, implying that they can be applied to your car at home, and with the kits inspired in part by the A80 Supra, you'll definitely level up on street cred.